A major decision that will affect how prosecutors pursue deadly DUI cases. Thanks for joining us live on TV, Apple TV, and wherever you're streaming us this evening. I'm Trisha Keene, and Todd will join me at 6 o'clock tonight. The Nevada Supreme Court ruling that murder charges can't be brought forward in deadly DUI cases. It comes as Clark County DA Steve Wolfson has charged several DUI drivers with murder. 13 Action News reporter Jeremy Chen is live outside the Regional Justice Center and has reaction from the DA and an attorney applauding this decision. Jeremy.
Yeah, Tricia, that decision unanimous from the state Supreme Court, and this will affect several DUI cases that are going through the court system here in Clark County. District Attorney Steve Wolfson saying that he was disappointed in the decision, while the opposing attorney I spoke with said it was the right decision. The power of prosecutors across Nevada getting some limits. The Nevada Supreme Court deciding Monday to prohibit them from pursuing murder charges in deadly DUI cases.
I'm disappointed. I was hoping that we would have won this important legal issue, but we're going to still keep fighting.
Clark County DA Steve Wolfson saying while he's forced to make changes to 5 current deadly DUI cases involving murder charges, he's not dropping them. He accepts the court's ruling and says the murder charges filed in those cases come from egregious behavior like driving in excess of 100 miles an hour while intoxicated and having both alcohol and drugs in their system.
Where there is that kind of behavior which separates some from others, that there should be increased consequences.
The court's ruling was made during arguments over the DUI case of Ronald Lavelle. He was appealing the second-degree murder charge in a 2017 fatal crash. Chief Justice Christina Pickering and 6 other justices say, quote, although malice may be inferred from the facts of this case, which would support a charge of second-degree murder, the legislature has preempted such a charge for cases of non-intentional vehicular homicide. The state may not charge a defendant with second-degree murder for a death resulting from driving under the influence. Lavelle's attorney, David Westbrook, says the murder charges should have never been filed in the first place.
People don't set out when they get behind the wheel of a car to kill somebody. And that's a fundamental difference between a murder case and a DUI with death case.
He says the upgraded charges don't deter behavior and agrees with the court that the legislature is the one that must create laws that say murder charges can be filed.
The legislature is for making laws. The courts and the district attorney are for enforcing and interpreting laws. The legislature is for making laws. That is our system. It is fundamental to our democracy, and that is the appropriate way going forward.
Wolfson says he's looking to do that.
Of course, one of our options is going to our Nevada legislature and seeing if we can either change the current law or create a new law.
Now, as far as this particular case, DA Wolfson says and wants to stress that the affected DUI cases, his office is not dropping them. They will continue to pursue charges, other charges, as far as the cases going through the court system. And coming up at 6, we'll hear from a mother of a DUI victim about her reaction to the Supreme Court's ruling. Jeremy Chen, 13 Action News.